Hello, I am Subhashree Sahu. I am pursuing MSc in Biotechnology from C.V. Raman Global University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. My aim is to work in the field of genomics and personalized medicine, contributing to innovative research. I attended the molecular biology techniques hands-on training at Biotecnika. It was a great learning experience where I go to practice important lab techniques which is used in genetic analysis and research. The hands-on training provided me with valuable skills that strengthened my foundation in molecular biology. This experience has significantly contributed to my professional growth and preparedness for industry opportunities. I truly appreciate Biotechnika's support in my career journey and look forward to utilizing these skills in my professional endeavors. Thank you.